كسر هنتو أمديدا على اللونشوي من الله قرينا هاي أوي عدنا ناس عايزين لا أسكر من الجاية كسيش يتكاس إيربكا يمكن أشوفكم
and plus this soil. That's what the previous committee has done. And the other group who has received the contract has done that new soil that you can see over there. That's what they have done. That's what they're trying to explain to you.
Also, you are saying that not much was added.
Yes.
Is there was?
وهذا واحد في عنه مهمة للمدة الشغل. No.
So this one was done
by his own committee, the regional
local flag committee. Paid for by who?
By the people of the local community.
So this additional,
It's overlap.
it's strengthened or reinforced, or did it do any good?
No, he didn't. That's what he's trying to tell you.
So we shouldn't be doing it. That's what you're saying?
No, he said it was supposed to be done, but they should have shown a better job. Nobody consulted them.
When مشروع يريد مشروع بس أما إيطاليا harsh.
There is no project or one project was consulted with this office. And you know when people receive projects, they're supposed to talk to the district commissioners, governors, and tell them what they do.
صدق عشاكورا كورا.
But if this was working already before, why was there flooding in the area? Was there no flooding here?
تن أنا بصير تاسع ما بكور قبيلة.
Let me explain.
meeshaan waxay ka mid tahay lix meelood oo ay maalgelisay dowladda Sweden through shirkadda maalgelinaysa lixdii kale tan ma ogi ma shaqadooyinka misaanay waxaan tahay mis waa ka fiican yahay maadaama
هذه الجواب أنا تريد بيسكو صدق مالكم ayaa lacagtii dowladda Sweden bixisay oo faaw lagu soo shubay in mashaariic lagu qabto 3 maalmood ka hor ka wada
The governor says 3 days ago it was brought to his attention that the project funded through FAO by Sweden and other agencies, he was informed by the people of the projects, people who implemented it in 3 days. From yesterday, the day before, the day after. Before that, we don't know what was done, where it was done. So he's saying we never knew anything about the projects. He said 3 days ago.
How long has he been?
بغجو تلك قبل كده.
أنا هذا وحن شوقا سند يا أفر. كهرنا لبتشر حفظ بشورة.
He was previously the governor transferred, come back again. Second time, this time, or the last time of this appointment, he was there for 1 year and 6 months. 16 months.
So last year there was no flooding here.
عشان سنة كان سودا فين واحد يجيك مسؤول عن المهن.
ويكي ما جنبيه وينكي من جنبيه. جتكاش الشديس. إلى باركاش الشديس. دربي كان الوحر أحرر عن الورد.
Yes, it was flooding from where the long tree over there. Standing, there was a flooding.
كمونتي كان صار. كمونتي يا مامور.
What we did was it was within the community that has done this job, the concrete.
It's not مشاريع
It's not from project funded.
Yes, that's understood.
Wonderful.
That's not planned.
Yes.
I think it's important. Yara, where are you, my friend?
Yeah.
Come here and translate for me. Please. Excellency. No, it's okay, but I want everyone who doesn't understand English to hear this very clearly. We need to recognise that you have done fantastic work. The community of Bella Twain has done fantastic work. The UN is not here to claim credit for the great work that you have done. I was with the Prime Minister's office with Adam on Sunday, and we also saluted the great work. We saluted the great work of the Bella Twain people in the Hershey Valley State in preventing the flood. It's well acknowledged that you have been the front line and have done an excellent job.
mudanayaal waxa waaye shaqooyinka ay qabteen guddiga maamulkooda waa shaqooyin adag wada muuqda waxa loo yaqaanaa qolo kasta la og tahay shir aan la yeelanay wasaaraha qaranka Soomaaliya xafiiskiisa waxaan ka sheegnay guddiga fatahaadaha iyo maamulkooda inay shaqada qabteen shaqada ay qabteen ma aha shaqo oo cid kasta ay kari karta shaqo kasta meel kasta laga og
So I want to say this now in front of the cameras to show that we also agree here in Beledweyne that the people of Beledweyne and Hershey Valley have done an excellent job as well. And the UN is here to support you, to compliment you, not to take credit for the great work that you have done.
waxaan rabaa iyadoo ay joogaan qolooyinka guryaha in hortooda ka sheego in shaqadii adag ay ku jirtaan ay qabteen iyo maamulkiiba Beledweyne ay tahay shaqa ay ku abaalmarsan yihiin aan rabno intay qabteen inaan wax ku darno macnaheedu ma aha waxay qabteen in la sheeganayo laakiin waxay qabteen wax lagu daro.
The 66 sites that have been done with the funding from CEDA and Italy were managed by the Hershey Valley Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation. It is the responsibility of the Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation to coordinate with their counterparts in the Hershey Valley state. On that basis, if you have not been with the Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation,
shaqooyinka dhan waxaa hogaaminayay shaqooyinka shaqada dhan 64 meel laga qabtay oo ku saabsan Shabeelle shaqooyinkan waxaa mas'uuliyaddeeda lahaa soo waxa loo yaqaanaa soo saaritaankii meelaha soo in soo saddexan meel hebel aad daran shaqada in la qabto binteedii wasaaradda beeraha iyo Shabeelle ayaa iska leh ayagana shaqadeeda ahayd in liisoo shaqo yadaan shaqadeeda ahayd in maamulkii iyo degmooyinkii iyo gobolkii ay u sheegtaan
Iskamale, ana iskale.
He's saying that that's not responsibility.
Ana
It's
iskale.
my responsibility. Let me say it, okay?
Point of order.
Let me
Point of order. Please, point of order. hay-adda faw inay la shaqayso authority-ga nidaamka dawliga inay la shaqayso soo sharci muwaafaq.
This is not the job of FAO to work with the government. Currently, Southern District, whenever they implement the projects in Iran.
It is not.
Why and sit
It is not the role of the UN to coordinate internally if the government is unable to coordinate itself. I am the resident coordinator. I am the deputy special representative of the Secretary General. I take responsibility for what FAO did here or did not do, and I am telling you right now, if we committed mistakes, we will take responsibility. But it is not our role to coordinate internally how the Hershey Valley authorities should coordinate themselves. The former president was aware of everything that was done by the UN community here, every step of the way, and so were his ministers. Okay. Now the fact that this has not been coordinated with the government is not the UN's fault.
FAO hadday dambiga hay'adaha dambiga ay galaan UN-ka ay galaan waxay dambiga ay galaan waa dambiga diyaaran waa qaadanayna laakiin shaqa maamulka Hirshabeelle dhexdeeda ayay iska socodsiin wayso ilaan anaga markaan wax qabanayna waxaan kusoo bilaabnaa maamulka Hirshabeelle iyo hore la soo maraya wasiirka beeraha lala hadlaya wasiirkii wuxuu soo hadlaya
focal point inta ana dowladda Hirshabeelle inta ana focal point shaqadana ana hal مشروع هذا اللحظة اللي يسمى هل ميل أو كم مدة أو وحكي قبتين وأنا اللي جوه المشكلة ليه قبتين
ما يوزون annaga Hirshabeelle ahaan oo focal point nooga yahay gobolka ninka la yiraahdo Jayta dhammaanteen warbixinteena ku saabsan bulshada gudaheeda kuma warqaadanayne wixii mashaariic ahay arka meel aynu ugu talagalnay ku kala warqaadanaan leenahay goobtaasaan tegaynaa wixii warbixinna xaggan ku kala qaadanayna